All cell disconnect, AC bus overload, 1 and 2, main bus A and B out. Just a second, please. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. We had everything in the world dropped out. We are ready for something. I don't think this is going to be a simple problem.
Apollo Houston, try SCE to auxiliary, over.
SCE to auxiliary.
SCE to auxiliary. We're having a apparent serious problem with a leak in the cryogenic oxygen in the service module, which provides breathing oxygen for the crew.
Hey, it's off. It's off.
The only bad part about zero gravity in Apollo was going to the bathroom. We had a very crude system. For your feces, it was a bag. And you put this bag in the right position, and so you go. But the only thing is that nothing goes to the bottom of the bag in zero gravity. Everything floats. So you've got this bag, and then the problem is getting it all and closing up the bag, making sure everything's still in the bag.
That sounds beautiful, troops. It's exactly what we wanted to see.